Hey there, Internet. Well, my son Alex and I, over the weekend, tried to make some ferrofluid, and we weren't successful. But I tried again today, and after a few hours of hard work, I was actually able to make this gook. So if I get the magnet on there, you can see I actually have a spiking ferrofluid. And it seems to be spiking better with time. I made the first test batch about 2 hours ago. I've been playing with it for 2 hours straight, and it's just such a wild, cool phenomenon. For other folks other than Alex that are watching, I originally tried to ball mill the nanoparticles, and according to some papers I read, you should be able to use a ball mill, and after about 8 to 10 hours, get nano-sized particles. But I think the best particles they were able to get was with 30 hours of ball milling, and I only did about 8 or 10, something like that. So I think either my particle sizes were too large, or when I was mixing the oleic acid, I just didn't do it right. The procedure I used, if you Google Nilered ferrofluid, his method is the one that I used. I prepared some ferric chloride and ferrous chloride, and made the nanoparticles by mixing in ammonia while it was mixing at high speed. And then I did my oleic acid add a little bit differently than his. I added mine drop by drop directly to once I precipitated out the nanoparticles, I added the oleic acid directly, just drip drop at a time, and that worked really, really, really well. So anyway, if you have any comments, leave them below. If you got any questions, let me know. This was a lot of fun, and it's just just staring at it. It's just fun. It's just amazing looking stuff. So I'll let Alex play with this if we're very safe and we follow all the safety procedures that you'd want to go ahead and follow when you're messing with something like this. But I think he'll enjoy it, and I hope he enjoys this video. So everybody else, thanks for watching, and see you later.